I'm off. I'm very happy to say that I'm heading out on a bike packing trip. My bike is all weighted down, saddlebags are full, backpack is full. I don't know if you can see it quite there. Anyway, sorry for the poor videoing, but I can't really see. Anyway, I'm going to head and go south of town, and then I will at Hedrick cross up over the highway and then take another county road, some county roads up past Snyder, and I'm going to spend the night probably at the Great Plains State Park just north of Snyder, and then the next day I will pedal to the Wildlife Refuge. So I'm looking forward to this, and I thought I'd bring you along with for the ride because it's going to be a lot of fun. Well, quick stop at McDonald's. Guess what? Carnivores can eat here. Look. Let's see. There we go. There we go. 4 quarter-pound patties. It's on the a la carte menu. No bun, no condiments, salt and pepper. We're good. I am pretty excited. Well, it is a gorgeous, gorgeous day. It's over 70. I've got shorts and short sleeve shirt on, and just enjoying this lovely ride. So far, I'm a mile south of town, and so far it's been very smooth riding. Actually on a paved road. I know the paved road is going to end here soon, and I will be on some gravel, but I am so much enjoying this right now. Let me see if I can show you. Sorry. Trying to get the phone out of the holder so I can show you the mountains. I guess that's probably going to be it. I can't do it while riding. The bike is a little unstable with the saddlebags on the back, and I've got my backpack on top of that. So that's going to just have to do, I guess. See if I can zoom it in. It probably doesn't help any. Okay. Sorry about that. Well, got an hour and a half of a ride left. Made it to Hedrick so far. Hedrick is a little bitty town. It's just about 10 miles outside of Altus. It's been pretty nice riding, very quiet. Dirt and gravel roads after the first 4 miles or so, but you know, fairly safe, no traffic. Well, I've got about 16 miles to go, so I'm about halfway there. At this point, I'll get there about 6 p.m. and I'm getting ready to start heading north towards Snyder. Well, here's an old bridge. It's apparently closed to road traffic, but there is room to allow people to walk across and bike across. So anyway, just wanted to share the view. Yeah, lovely old refrigerators. We're not too far from the highway. We're kind of angling up that direction. Well, that was not so fun. The other end of the second bridge was totally blocked off across it. So I had to load everything off of my bike and pass it over on the other side and then put my bike underneath. Thanks, guys. Anyway, there was a lady walking, a young lady from Indiahoma walking out here. Anyway, she said she lived in Indiahoma, never knew the bridge was here. Anyway, she helped me. I was ever so grateful. Still riding on a gravel road. I think it's 8 or 10 miles at this point. Pure misery. I wish I would have just stayed on the highway. But I do have some neighbors to keep me company. Hi guys, how you doing? Well, the sun is setting. It's quite beautiful. I'm still about 8 miles from the state park yet. The gravel roads really added on about an extra hour to my time. I had to get off and walk in some deep sandy sections. There was just no riding through it. Good morning from my tent. Well, I got in rather late last night. It was nearly 8 o'clock when I got here. Crazy. Don't take gravel and sand roads, especially a 10-mile section. Anyway, I did get here. It was just a little rough. I would have done much better if I'd have gone down the highway. It was a Sunday night. Wasn't much traffic on the highway. There's a full shoulder. Now, I don't know that would have been the case up through Snyder and Mountain Park, but that would have been so much more preferable than this. Anyway, and when I return, that will be the route that I take home. I'm not doing that again. Anyway, it's a fabulous morning, and I have got a lovely view I have to share with you. This is my idea of a room with a view. I'm all comfy and cozy here, and been dry and snug as a bug in a rug. I did have to get up in the middle of the night and go searching for a bathroom. That was not fun, especially when the first bathroom I went to that was shown on the park map was closed. Oh my goodness, so that's not fun. Anyway, I did find one, but was a little frustrated at first. So, let me share this view with you. Check that out. And I have been listening to geese coming and going this morning since I've got up. When I slept, I was definitely dead to the world. It is a rare, very calm, hardly any wind, windy day here. There's my bike here in Oklahoma. Anyway, there's hardly anybody in the park, of course, being as it's February. Most people don't think to go camping. But yesterday it was like over 70. It was just gorgeous. I was paddling with a t-shirt and shorts on, so it was a fabulous day to be out. And it was my longest day. The reason why, being that when I initially set out, I got to the downtown area, and I did have some lunch at McDonald's. And guess what? I forgot my GPS tracker, which is a satellite tracker. It's a Garmin InReach. And I had to go back to the house and get it because I am headed to the Wildlife Refuge today, and I won't have any cell reception out there in most of the park. So anyway, I did 32 something miles to get here, and plus that additional 2 miles. So I did 34.7 miles. I'm very proud of myself. That's my biggest day yet.